One sunny morning, Hamdaan and Raania were sitting on the mat with their mum. She brought a small wooden box and placed it gently in front of them. "What's inside, Mama?" asked Raania, curious. Mom smiled. "This is our Touch Fabrics box. Today, we will use our fingers to explore and discover different textures." She opened the box, and inside were neat little squares of fabric: silk, cotton, wool, and linen. Each fabric was cut exactly the same size, and there were pairs for matching. Mom picked up a piece of silk. She closed her eyes, held it between her thumb and index finger, and rubbed it gently. "This feels smooth and soft. This is silk," she said. Then she invited Hamdaan to close his eyes. He picked up a fabric square and felt it carefully between his fingers. "This one feels fluffy. Maybe wool," he guessed. Mum gave a happy nod. "Next," Raania tried. With her eyes closed, she touched one piece and then searched for its match. After feeling 2 or 3, she smiled. "These two are the same. Cotton." Bit by bit, both children paired all the fabrics: silk with silk, cotton with cotton, wool with wool, and linen with linen. At the end, Mum said gently, "You used your sense of touch to discover. This is how we learn to observe carefully." Hamdaan and Raania repeated the activity again and again, laughing when they made a mistake and proudly naming each fabric correctly. The little fabric box became one of their favorite.